Hello, today we have one more Dell laptop for disassembly. We have to replace the thermal paste. The model of the laptop is Dell Inspiron N5010. So let's start. The first thing, of course, we have to take out the battery. We're gonna remove the screws on the back. After that, we're gonna remove the keyboard. We have some rubber things here. We have to remove them. Now we're gonna remove all the screws except this one. I think they're not needed in order to open the laptop. We'll see. All the screws should be the same size. Those four are holding the hard drive. We're gonna remove them also because we'll have to lift the board. Now let's see. You have to remove the keyboard. We're gonna use something sharp. Now we have a few screws on the keyboard. Which we have to take off, of course. Now we're gonna disconnect the touchpad, the power button cable, and what's this? Oh, this is for the light, I guess. Now we have to separate the two parts. Just use something sharp. Like this. Always tight the screws on the hinges, because with the time they are getting loose. Now we'll remove the hard drive. We'll disconnect the speakers and the cable for the card reader. We'll disconnect the LCD cable. Now we have to remove the two screws which are holding the two boards together. And we have to open this plastic clip here in order to remove the board. going to use a Q-tip. In order to clean first, and then we're going to use some alcohol. Like this. We'll clean the cooler also. Now on this model we can disassemble the fan because the fan is making weird noises. We're gonna clean the fan also. As you can see inside, there's quite a lot of dust. The camera can focus, of course. So we have to clean this also. Nice and shiny. Now the fan can also be disassembled. Usually I clean the inside with a little alcohol and then I put a little lubricant inside so it can go smoothly. We're gonna clean the inside. And then we're gonna put a little machine oil inside. And now we have to put everything back. Now, this particular case, we have a copper plate between the video chip and the cooler, so we have to put it back again. This is helping the cooling of the video card, especially on these old laptops. This one is with first gen i5 processor, so it's quite hot. You're gonna put a new paste on the CPU and the GPU. After that, we'll take this and we're gonna put a little paste on one of the sides so it can stick. This is enough. Now we have to put it like this. If you're worried that you can short something, you can always put some tape around the chip, but since it's much higher than the caps on the chip, there's no problem. Now we have to put everything back. Now we have to connect the fan. Don't forget to connect it, otherwise you have to open the laptop again, as I do quite often. Now we have to put everything back the same way we remove it. There was only 2 screws between the 2 boards. We'll reconnect the cables. And we're gonna put back the hard drive like this. Then we have to reconnect the power button and the rest of the cables. Now the boring part. We have to put all the screws back. Yeah. We did forget to put the screws under the keyboard, so we have to lift the keyboard again. Sorry for this. Now we have to put the screws on the hard drive. They're a little bit tricky because right now the hard drive is a little bit down. You have to align the hard drive, and once you put the first screw, then it's much easier. You can stop the video now if you like. Basically, right now we have to put all the screws back, and we have to fire up the laptop just to see does everything work correctly. Now let's see, do we have a picture on the screen? Yep, we do. We are on the BIOS. Basically that's the whole procedure. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.